Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on ApeCoin. In my previous video, I was showing you that ApeCoin was trying to break out a quite long-term resistance of a big falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart. And this was my last video. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that finally it has completely broken out the resistance of this big falling wedge pattern. And after that, it is trying to break out this quite long-term resistance of 1.9 cents. $1.90 that has been previously working as a support here for several weeks. And after the breakdown, it was flipped into a strong resistance. You can see we got rejections here. And now again, price line is trying to break out this resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for ApeCoin that I shared a few days ago on 4th of Feb 2024 with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 30% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my most recent trade signal for ApeCoin that I shared a few days ago on 4th of Feb 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal bat move that ApeCoin was completing on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. Therefore, I told my members that after some slight more drop, once it will be entered within this price range, that we can expect another powerful reversal from there. By the way, this was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, and you can see that the price line dropped more down, slightly more down than this potential reversals on here, but it covered back very soon. Then we had a very, very powerful reversal. And so far, it has rallied almost 30%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of ApeCoin, and this is the 7 days time frame chart, and you can see that since after the month of March 2022, it was moving inside this quite big falling wedge pattern. You can see we got two rejections here, a bounce here, rejection, rejection, and several touch points here. And this was the last rejection that was happening here in the month of January 2024. And after testing this support, here at $1.20, finally the price line has broken out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern, and now imminently it has reached the next very strong and long-term resistance of $1.90 that was previously working as a support here for several weeks. And now again, after this breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance. You can see here we got rejection by this resistance, and now again price line is trying to break it out. In case of another rejection, the price line can retest the previous resistance of the wedge as a support, and then we can expect another reversal to the upside after a retest. And in case of breaking out this next resistance, an imminent move can be possible up to the next major resistance of $3.10. And over there, we have a complete resistance zone that starts from $3.10 and goes to $4 that has been previously working as a support zone here. You can see the price and entered inside the support zone here. We had a nice bounce. We had another bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, and after the breakdown, now it can work as a strong resistance. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that target is here. At the top of the wedge, that is between $28 to $30. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.